everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and this is a picture of my sister with her granddaughter that I'm going to scrap from when we were there last summer when she was just 3 months old here. So I found this gorgeous pink kind of holographic and gold and foil star paper that's from the Schmel Head in the Clouds 12 by 12 pad. I couldn't find it. Sorry, guys. And I'm going to mount that on that kind of stitched paper, which is Schmel Sparkle City, the fresh flower paper. Kind of looks like it's got a little stitch there. I have so much Schmel paper, I just decided to leave it as a full piece. So then, as a little backing to this, I'm going to add that purple star paper from Bella Boulevard, Oh My Stars, and it's the Plum Stars paper. And I love to use like navy pink and purple together. You know, kind of all the same sort of color family kind of thing. So I think it's just fun to do that. And just kind of looking at different things I could add there. Stickers and that kind of stuff. And I found this Above All Else sparkle sticker. I was toying with the other sticker, and I just loved that because I thought it was cute, you know, that she's with her granddaughter there. Then I found this unicorn, and I mean, when else are going to use a unicorn, right? So the sparkle sticker is from Schmel Sparkle City 12 by 12 pad. There's a sticker pad there. And then the chipboard unicorn is from Schmel Head in the Clouds. It's the chipboard sticker sheet for that. That sticker was too big to use, so I decided not to do that. And I'm just going through all things Schmel. I do love this puffy sticker that says hello. I'm going to put that up there. And that's from the Glitter Girl Glitter Shaker sticker. So it's got a little bit of silver stars in there, which is kind of fun. I did cut this paper to go inside that square. Sometimes I cut it so it goes across the two squares. But this particular time I decided inside. And that's just, you know, my mood determines that. All right, so I love this camera, but it's so big, it's just not going to work on this layout. And I'm going back, that's the chipboard sheet from Head in the Clouds. I think I got that at Tuesday morning. Just kind of pulling out whatever I have here. Trying to determine if there's anything I can use there. There's some of those washi strips. I've been trying to really use up some of the washi strips from these Schmel sticker folders. So I like this balloon one here. It's a lot of the colors that are in the layout. There is a green on there that's not, but... And then I can kind of mount the today there. I didn't like how I tore that, so I'm going to go back and do it again. And there we go, just getting that hello. And still didn't like the tear. Something so simple. And what I'm trying to do is make sure that I have enough room to get the hello on there and maybe something else. Not sure what that something else is going to be yet. And, you know, she didn't have a balloon, but it's just fun. Oh, my goodness. It took me forever with this cluster here. You know, the big cluster was really fast, but not this one. Okay. So I found that little camera. I really think that's a cute little sticker. That came from the Sparkle City sticker folder there. And then I'm going back, and I decided I didn't like the green in those balloons. So I went back to the stickers from Sparkle City, the sticker folder. And I'm going to use instead this purple and pink floral tape here. And that is actually a piece of washi tape. Sometimes they're more of a cardstock, but this is actually actual washi. And I like that just because it has the purple and the pink from the actual colors versus adding other colors in. I know the sparkle word has other colors in it, but that's not a main focus. I thought that the balloons were making it too much of a main focus. Right now, I definitely would like something else up there. I'm just not sure what that is yet. But then I see this balloon sticker from the Sparkle City 12 by 12 pad of stickers. And I like that because it's bringing in the blue from the title sticker at the bottom there. And, you know, just another little color up there. Kind of ran through that Head in the Clouds sticker book. Those stickers are so tiny. Cute, but tiny. So then the Head in the Clouds chipboard sheet has some hearts on it. And chipboard, I guess it's a chipboard sheet. That makes sense. And some of the colors that are used in the sparkle titles. So I'm going to start adding those in, like this yellow one up here. And then it came off the backing. That's one thing about putting the ATG on the back of that chipboard. It sticks a lot of times. It would just be easier if I used a wet glue, really. And then I'm going to add this blue heart down here, but underneath the camera now. And I like that, how that kind of looks. And the camera, you know, because it's a photo, and she took this with, she did a little selfie here. And then I like that little pink heart there at the top. So now I have 3 little clusters here of things. Again, just trying to look, is there anything else I can use from these sticker books? And I think I want something else, and I remembered that I had some puffy hearts from Chamel. I have 2 actually different sheets, but one is more fall focused. This one is actually from Head in the Clouds, which I didn't realize. So it has all the perfect pinks and blues and purples on it. So I'm just going to add a heart to the top cluster and the heart on the photo there. And then I already have a camera on the chipboard heart here, so I'm going to add 2 hearts on the unicorn here. And play around a little bit with which one is right. Because we do that. And I decided to get a little bit more pink in here and just reversed them. It's just, to my eye, that's the way I liked it a little bit better. All right. So there's lots of good different textures and sizes here, but I'm going to finish up with some enamel dots, and these are from Eyelet, Outlet, and Brad's. And I'll use some of the big ones. They have these huge ones, so I want to use some of those up. And just putting a couple in each cluster there. Okay. All right, guys. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.